This interview is for information only and should not be considered as investment advice or a recommendation to buy shares in the company featured. Welcome to this Stock Box interview.
Joining us today is Mitchell Smith, the CEO of Global Energy Metals. Thank you very much for joining us today. Mitch, how are you?
Doing very well, thank you. Thanks so much for having me on here today.
Good. No, it's good to be speaking. So we're going to catch up on the news that came out recently. This is, of course, the option agreement with Fulcrum there that you've terminated, and instead it's been restructured as per also the Fulcrum announcement there to take with Terra Balcanica, and you will be taking equity, and also you've got the NSR on there as well, and also you've got a little payment as well for your troubles, I suppose. So how are you feeling about this sort of restructuring of the deal here? What does it mean to the company?
Yeah, no, we're very excited about this. We certainly welcome the participation by Terra to the project. They obviously bring some very strong technical expertise, and it's in their neck of the woods. So we look forward to working with them and seeing these projects advance. And as you mentioned, Global comes out of this as a real winner in terms of being able to gain a NSR royalty over the entire very prospective portfolio of these uranium assets at a fantastic time in the nuclear space. And we also get shares in Terra, which provides us with upside as they move the projects forward, and not only in Canada but also their projects in the Balkans. So we're very excited to be a shareholder and partner in this venture.
Good. So of course that NSR, that really is a risk-free element or asset you can keep in the business for until it becomes profitable or not, if the case may be. In terms of the equity, would you be looking to sort of hold that and you're buying into the bigger picture there, or how does it all fit into the strategy of GMEC?
Yeah, no, it's definitely a long-term holding for us. We see this as positioning in a very interesting company that obviously has exposure to uranium and also to copper and other metals in the Balkans. Okay. So again, it's a very strong opportunity for Global to hold these and really resonates with what we're doing and with Global Energy in terms of building that exposure out to battery and new energy metals, whether it be through equity holdings, project holdings, or royalty holdings, as we've been able to do here in the not so recent past.
And looking then at GMEC as a whole here, what's the overarching strategy? Are you looking to take projects yourself, or are you really looking to get positions in different compelling looking projects?
Yeah, we've been really hybrid in terms of that, and we've over the course of time, we were very early adopters into the battery metal space, so we were able to acquire a number of projects globally, and we've now implemented a partner type approach, very similar to what we're doing here with Terra in terms of monetizing the assets, attracting in partners to take on the operational responsibility of projects. And we've done that in Norway with Kings Rose. We've done that with our projects in Australia with both Hammer Metals and Metal Bank. And we're continuing to do so. We have projects in Idaho, projects in Nevada that are very prospective for these battery metals, and we're open to that type of partnership again. So continue to build exposure for our shareholders to what we believe is a very strong opportunity with new energy and battery metals.
Okay, and will the market see some of the fruits of this work soon?
Yeah, no, I think so. And again, this is part of a bigger picture. And as the commodity prices start to return, and we see the equities following suit, and Global will be one of those companies that certainly benefit from being early on and being able to acquire a very, very strong portfolio of projects, equities, and royalties.
Okay, good. And is it strictly in the battery energy metal space? I'm just thinking, of course, gold at all-time highs.
Yeah, no, I mean, we certainly have gold in our project portfolio. So we have exposure to gold, to silver, and to some of the other commodities. But we have had a focus on the battery metals, given the level of demand that we see coming for those, given the electrified era.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for your time. Mitchell Smith, the CEO of Global Energy Metals.
Excellent. Thank you very much for having us.
If you enjoyed this interview, then give us a thumbs up, a like, or a retweet. Subscribe to us on YouTube or follow us on Twitter and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when we release new content. There's loads of great content on our website too, across all our programs at stockboxmedia.com. Thank you for watching.